It's another magnificent, fantastic morning here at 4,500 feet elevation with a beautiful, quiet, scenic log house. I don't know if it's a log house, but wow. It's about 32 degrees right now. It was like 19 in the morning. We are getting ready to install some gutters, setting up. It's what time is it? Like 10 a.m. 9:30. It's 9 something, almost 10 o'clock. It's supposed to be 40 degrees today, highest. And that's the house we're going to be doing. So let's get to work. There's the house that we're doing. Up in the mountains. We do have a little bit of snow on the roof. Couple pieces. We'll get it done. Nice snow. Do 5K style gutter today. One more thing I wanted to do is get this trusted meter here and measure the gutter. 23 degrees. So definitely we're not going to be hanging that one until it warms up. Rusco. One thing that up here in the deserts and stuff, the flashings are so tight. We have to kind of open it up a little bit so the gutters can fit below, underneath the gutter, underneath the flashing. And also we're marking the rafter tails, as you see here, because we want to make sure we hit the studs. So it's been here for, what, 10 minutes? Let's check it. 47 degrees. That's what I like right there. All right. Let's start running some gutters. We'll check the measurements on the... So when I measure right here, I'm at 34. When I measure inside, 23. So I think I need to go by the inside measurement because the black gutter attracts heat more. And this thing only reads surface temperature. So yeah, we want to be inside temperature. So 16.2. So yeah, we're going to leave this out. We actually measured this piece and we're going to measure it again, see if it grows. I'll show you how I oil the guillotine on the gutter machine. So like that, and then I will drop the knife here. Let me zoom out. It just kind of spray it down. So now I can run my gutter out and it cuts really easy. So I'm gonna measure the inside of the gutter here. 47. Outside. Let's see here. If my theory is correct. 76. So yeah, the inside temperature is colder. This one actually just came out from the machine. You see that? And then this one's been sitting. Yeah, so they do warm up. We just lay them out like this. Let them stretch out a little bit. It's a spectacular day. Very elegant. Look at this amazingly natural beauty. So this downspout is done. We angled the downspout so we don't have to hit the concrete there. I think that's amazing. There's one gutter there. And these guys are going to install another gutter here. Brackets every 2 feet. We got Orion, Anton, and Dave. They're going to make this happen. This is the north side. And it's the longest piece in the house at 33 feet. Finishing up the downspout. Got this gutter in. And one more gutter to go. Spectacular, fabulous gutters. A little temporary kick out. Ooh, looks like the ice is melting. And we got a gutter here. And some gutters there. I think we're almost done. By the way, the truck is for sale, supercharged.
Everything's for sale.
Everything's for sale.
I'll let it go for 50.
Huh?
I'll let it go for 50.
I'll trade you straight up. Throw in a cow.
A couple of cows.
I'll give you 2 calves and a cow.
Not the dead ones though, right?
No, we just had 2 of them that just literally just had birth.
Oh, nice. Maybe we'll go check them out. Wow. Orion has made the gutter template, and he's making the gutters. That is fabulous. Extraordinary. Extraordinary.
That's me.
Orion knows how to make gutters.
This is as good as I can do.
So Orion is really proud of his gutter corners. Yeah, I am too. Look at this. Wow. No comment. Extra brackets everywhere. Orion made that gutter with a double corner, and it fit like a glove in there. And they're excited that they're professional or something. We got gutters going in and a downspout at the same time. That's unheard of.
Well, I'm gonna go fast as long as we're not paid hourly, right?
Good point.
And just got it done. This one was a fairly easier project. Wasn't too tall or complicated. And we're gonna go home now. We're gonna miss the beautiful mountain views. Take care. We'll see you next time. God bless. Well done. I'm gonna miss this place because it was fresh air, high altitude, clean air, dry, and spectacular.